Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to connect Temu to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account where your Shopify store is, now we can go ahead and access our store and all the sections we have right here, like home, orders, products, and so on. And now let's get started. So basically guys, if you want to connect Temu to your Shopify store, either for dropshipping or whatever you're planning to do, this is how to do it. You want to go into the apps section right here. By clicking on the add apps button, it's going to open up this menu of the mostly used apps in Shopify. And what you can find right here is the Shopify App Store option at the bottom of the page. Click on Shopify App Store and it's going to open up this new Shopify App Store in your tab, where you can now go ahead and get started browsing the App Store. And at the top of the screen, there is going to be a search mode. So you want to click on this search bar right here and search for Temu. So search for Temu guys, and after searching for it, it's going to give you a list of all the results that have Temu in its name. And what we're going to be using guys is one of the drop shipping options right here. What I can recommend guys is either AliExpress and Alibaba and Temu Drop. This is the mostly used app and has the most reviews. So what you can do is click on it, and after clicking on it, what you can do is get started installing it. So as you can see, there is a free plan available and a free trial available, but it is a paid application like every other on the Shopify App Store. So what you want to do is click the install button, and after installing it guys and completing all the steps right here, by proceeding with the steps, you can just go ahead and find your application right here under the app section, and you can get started with using the dropshipping application. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.